So, in order to explain surplus, let's say that in an imaginary market for movie tickets, if I were willing to pay $35, which is greater than the equilibrium price for $20, I would get what is called a consumer surplus. Whereas if the producers were able to sell it for $20 instead of the minimum amount, which was $10, they would have a producer surplus. So like I mentioned before, the consumer surplus exists on this upper triangle right here, whereas the producer surplus exists right below it. So in order to calculate the consumer surplus, all I would need to do is take the difference between the price and the equilibrium price right here, and multiply that by the base, which is 30 units. And then I would just need to divide that by 2 because you're essentially just finding the area of this triangle right here. And that would give me 15 times 30 divided by 2, which would be $225. So looking at that same example of movie theater tickets, so if the demand for movie theater tickets were to increase, which means that there's a shift from the line here to the right, that initial consumer surplus would increase and form a much bigger triangle.